Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you. I finally got my stump grinder. It's been 5 days and I thought it had blew up, but today it's working. It's running and everything works on it. As of right now, I'm fixing to pull it outside and pressure wash it and put the panels back on it and get it back to work today. It's Saturday morning, but I want to go over with you. If you got a machine just like this is a RG50 Super with a Deutsch engine in it. So I want to go over with you what it cost me to do, put in new pistons, rings, bearings, and you know, to hone it out, and the labor and the cost. So if you have a machine just like this and you're in this situation, I'm going to go over with you what it cost me to get it done. You know, this is a used machine, obviously. This is a 2004. And the difference between buying a brand new one, personally, I do used machines just because, you know, I can work on them and it's easier that way. I have my own shop. I can have people come here. It's cheaper to have a guy come here and work on my equipment than it is to send it to a dealer and let it be tied up for 3 months, 2 months, whatever it is. And I'm down that time just waiting on a dealer whenever they can, you know, it's convenient for them to get the machine in the dealership and to work on it. So I was down 5 days and majority of it was waiting on part. Now it's running. I'm about to head back to work, but I want to go over with, so the parts on that to order new pistons, valve cover gasket, head gaskets, rod bearings, pistons, and rings. It was a total of $1,083.87. So it's basically $1,100. By the time I went and picked it up, I spent 20 bucks probably, or $10 in gas. So I'll just say $1,100 to make it easy. And then labor was $1,400 to, you know, to tear it down and redo it and all that. So I've got right at $2,500 in it right now. If you're not mechanically inclined, this is not going to be, it's going to be tough for you. You know, you'll be running it off to a dealer or you'll have it at somebody's shop. But that's the reason why I built this shop and I built that other shop. The other shop, this is mainly for hydraulics over here at this shop, but the other shop was all my maintenance for my stump grinders, my chippers, the whole shebang. So if you're a new guy starting out, I suggest I try to be able to work on all your stuff. It's the best way to go if you can. And usually on Sundays is the day that I do all my maintenance on all my equipment and take care of stuff, because we work, you know, usually run during the summer or during the year, Monday through Saturday, and then Sunday we're off, you know, doing maintenance or, you know, fixing any repairs that we got. The other question I found out that I didn't know, this machine has sleeves. It's a Deutsch engine and it has sleeves. So if you have one like this, man, I mean, you could pop a piston in there and do the same thing as I did and wouldn't even have a problem with it. It's really easy to redo this engine. Now I made a point years ago that if I have any repairs, I hire a guy, he comes to my shop, and we do it here at the shop. He uses my tools, my stuff, or he has his own stuff, and we use, you know, what I got here. It's cheaper that way, it's faster that way, and I kind of control the cost, so to say, and I can see what's being bought, what's not being bought, what he's doing, the whole shebang. So with that being said, I'm gonna crank her up and let you hear it run. But it's Saturday morning. It's about 7 o'clock. After I crank it up, I'm gonna let it run for a minute or two, and then I'm gonna power wash it, and I'm gonna get back on the road grinding stumps today. Appreciate the guys making the comments, man. Like, man, I hope nothing's, you know, big wrong with your stump grinder. And for all the guys that did that, man, and girls, I really appreciate it. I tell you what, I really enjoy doing this YouTube thing. I've really enjoyed talking to people. And I tell you what, man, I hope one day, it's been a blessing to me to do this, and I hope I can help somebody. I hope I really can help you better, you know, do something. I mean, better at it. You know, I mean, we're only here on this earth, man, for a little bit of time, and once you have success in life, I mean, I've had a good run, man. I've had a really, really good run at life. I mean, I've got great kids. I've got a great wife, man, and everything has been, I mean, you know, I've had health problems here lately, but overall, man, it's been great. And I hope, you know, if you have any questions or whatever, I've had people call me, you know, on Sunday or whatever, and they've asked me questions, and I've tried to, I'll talk to you, you know. So I appreciate you listening. I mean, listening and watching the channel. And if I can help you any, you know, my number's always on my shirt, so you could call, you know. And as long as I ain't like real busy and it ain't real late at night, I'll talk to you, man, or ladies, or whatever it is. But anyway, I'm gonna fire up and let you hear it. She sounds tough, buddy, so far. Oh man, I'll get that. I'm fixing to carry it over here and get it cleaned up, buddy. I mean, she's looking a little rough. She's got oil and stuff all over. I'm gonna, they said I'm fixing to power wash her. Hey guys, if you like the channel, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.